So I did change the scenery a little bit. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. Do you like the bed better, or do you like this look better? Let me know. But today I have a Louis Vuitton mini unboxing. I just got a couple of things on my last girls trip to Palm Springs, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got, because you guys are all luxury lovers like me and like fashion, anything too big. But I'm gonna explain why I got them and what I got. So first off, I got this beautiful bag. This is a limited edition bag, and I really wanted it because of this perfume that they just came out. It's called California Dream, and it smells so good. But look at the packaging, you guys. Braid. It says Louis Vuitton. It's so cute. So I did pick this up because it did have limited edition packaging. I wanted this anyways, so I figured this was the perfect time to get it. Glad I did. So let's open it. It's so pretty, you guys. I'm just a sucker for packaging. Comment down below if you're the same like me. You're a sucker for packaging, because I totally am. It comes with this beautiful bottle. There you go. And there it is. It's so pretty. It's in an ombre color bottle. It's glass, and you can get your initials on it. And you can, the nice thing is it's a magnetic top, so it just like goes back on really quick. The nice thing is, I'm going to spray it because I love it. The thing is, you can get refills for this. So you can keep the bottle and you can get refills for a lower price, because this is a certain price, but the refills are a little bit lower. So yeah, that's what I got, and I'm obsessed. And I got, let me show you what else I got. You guys, look at this packaging. Like, I'm gonna keep this forever. I don't know, I might put it in a frame and then put it somewhere in my room just to see how I like it, but we'll see. And then we're gonna go on to this one. You know, Louis Vuitton always does beautiful wrapping. So it did come in this. I did do a preview of this on my Instagram, and I'll put my Instagram right here. And also I have a playlist of all my Louis Vuitton unboxings that I'll put right here too. But it was wrapped, and it comes in this little box. So if you guys can guess what it is, comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think it is. Obviously it's a SLG because it's small. And it comes in here. And it's this cute wallet. So I wanted to get something that fits into my multi-pochette, because my other wallets are way too big. So I got this one, and it's so cute. Sorry, there's a lot of truck going by. So look at how cute this is. It's got you can put cards or cash in here. There's another slot right here. There's 3 card holders. You can put cash in here. But it also has a little slip pocket back here. And this is, I think, in the men's section, but honestly, I think it's unisex. You can totally use it how you want, or if you want to use it, you can. And this one was made in Spain. I don't know if I have anything made in Spain, which is pretty cool. And this is then the code for it in case you're interested. I just forget what it is. I don't know. But if you are looking for something small, I would definitely recommend this. It's so nice. You can fit so much in here, and it's just very compact. You can put your cards, your cash, some business cards right here. You can fit a lot in here. Let me get my wallet, and this is the wallet I'm rocking right now. It's the Chanel. I don't know what this is called. I know I've showed it in one of my videos. I'm not positive of what it's called. But let's see what fits in this little compact wallet. Let me take out all the paperwork, put it in there, put all of that back in there, and then I'll show you what fits in there. So let's see how many cards we can actually fit in here. Let's see. Hopefully it fits a lot. I mean, it looks like it can fit a lot. So I do have a check and then some cash. So I'm just going to put that in this little hole right here, like this little folder thing. So yeah, it fits a lot. I mean, you can kind of see one of my cards, so I need to get a new one, but it fits a lot. You can totally put like a little key in here if you need to. If you want, I have a couple of coins. Let's see if it fits good in. Okay, you can totally put some coins in there. I don't know if you can see, but you can totally fit coins in there. It does make it a little bit bulkier, but that's okay because that's okay. So it does fit in there. And I feel like they don't slide, which is nice. So I'm going to put the rest of my cards right here. And let's see how bulky it'll be with everything in it. So this is what it looks like full. And you can see it did make it a little bit thicker right here, but not too bad. I mean, this is what I have in it. I have some extra cards here for like a yogurt shop and stuff. And then I did put the coins in here. But yeah, it fits a lot. So it's really nice. So I would recommend this. I think the price point of this is really good. It wasn't that much. So if you're in the need or looking for a nice wallet, then I would definitely check this out. Oop. I guess it's not a good idea to put the change in there because it does fall out. So, okay, I wouldn't put change in there. It's just going to fall out. But if you're in need of a good compact wallet, I definitely recommend it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to have you guys here. Let me know. Comment down below what's on your wish list. Please like and subscribe. I'm a small YouTuber and I love the support, you guys. Let me know what you want to see, and I hope you guys are having a great, beautiful day. You deserve it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!